Hi and welcome to today's video by Study Unifees. Today's video is about IELTS speaking. Today we'll be speaking about how to express your opinions in part 3 of IELTS speaking. As you probably know, part 3 is a set of very abstract questions on the topic of the card given to you in part 2. There are many language functions that you will be required to enact while giving part 3. One of them is expressing opinions on various topics and also justifying your opinion, explaining why you hold a particular opinion. The examiner will often ask you on your opinion on several abstract topics. You have to first give a clear opinion and then explain why you think in this particular way. So, giving opinions and justifying them is an integral part of the whole process of part 3 in the IELTS spoken test. First, there are several signaling words. Words that signal what you're about to say is an opinion. Start expressing an opinion by using these words. One such word is clearly. Clearly is used before an opinion that is very clear, easy to understand, or widely held. Personally basically signals to the examiner that this is just your personal opinion. You don't expect other people to agree with it. Other signaling words are frankly. Frankly is used when you want to be very honest or very direct. Sadly, regrettably, and unfortunately are all similar in use. This is when you're unhappy, sad, or regretful about something. Then, there are two ways to justify your opinion. One way is through one single sentence. After you have used the signaling word, like frankly or unfortunately, express your opinion and then link the justification of that opinion by using conjunctions like as, since, because, or because of. Another way to express an opinion is to do it across two sentences. First, use a signaling word like clearly. Express your opinion and end the sentence. Then start the next sentence with signalers of justification, for instance, like the ones you see on the board. The reason for this is that, this is because, this is due to, this is because of, this is as a consequence of. So, to express your opinion and to justify it, you can do it across two sentences, or as we have seen previously, you can do it across just one sentence. Now, some very important things to regard when you're thinking about giving opinions in part 3. Don't give an opinion unless you have a really good justification for it. The examiner must be convinced that you can use these language functions. Also, give some real-life examples if you can. Real-life examples really add a lot of weight to your justifications. Finally, be diplomatic and respectful of contrary opinions. Don't make your opinion sound like this is the only correct proposition related to that issue. Thanks for watching this video. For more insightful videos on the IELTS, like, share and subscribe. To get your IELTS prep on track, or to learn more about Study Unifees, or to learn more about the whole process of studying abroad, register at www.studyunifees.io for a free IELTS demo class or a free counseling session on any destination.